Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm unboxing for you an order from Craspire. Okay, so this is very exciting. I am glad that this made it. We were worried it was lost. They're usually very quick for shipping, and something definitely went different with this package this time. So let's take a look. And the nice thing about this is it's going to be a surprise for us both, because it was so long ago that I ordered these things that I really don't remember what it is that I picked. I do remember it being pink. That I know for sure. I've got some stuff from them before, and I really wanted to do something that would match my favorite colors. And so I think that this is probably, yeah, that's great. It's a way to melt wax for wax seals that have pretty pink and gold, which, if you know me, are my favorite colors. Oh, I forgot about this too. They had so many amazing different seals to choose from, and I couldn't remember which one I actually picked. And look, I love it so much. These stacking teacups, that is fun. I'm currently working on a Valentine's Day Happy Mail swap. It's like a, well, in the past, I've done it many years. It's like a secret Cupid swap. But this year I know who my partner is, and I've already started creating for her. And I have the feeling that these colors are going to be perfect match in the long line of what I'm creating. So this is beautiful. So look at that. Everything is pink. Let's have something on it. I'll have to clean that off. Everything is pink and pretty, and just a nice, beautiful, relaxing, calm, sort of fun set of products to work with. I have one of these, I think they're called a stove, candle oven, must be a stove. And I have one that's wooden, and it's actually nice to have a second one. I wonder what this is for. I like that it's got the pink crystal on the end. If you know what this is for, comment down below. I mean, I can guess that it's probably a tool I can use for maybe separating the wax from the stamp. Not sure. Anyway, I have a lot of different stamps and a lot of different wax melts. I really liked this combination of colors, and it's just coming in at the perfect timing. Like, look at how gorgeous those are. So you could use them individually, or you could use them in combination, a pair of them, all three of them. Really excited to play with those. I think that's going to be a lot of fun. Actually, let's leave that open. And what's in here? I may have ordered some dies from them. They do have a wide variety of materials. I did get a die, but when is it? Oh, the bows. Oh, this is so perfect. This is absolutely perfect. I am so happy to be able to work with these bows, because one of the things that I'm going to make for my Happy Mail are some handmade embellishments. And what perfect thing to create for my pen pal, or to create to decorate part of the packages for my pen pal. But bows, oh, this is fantastic. So that's really good. And I was thinking you could even potentially use these dies to create bows and then stamp in the middle of the bows because look at the size of that die. Like when I originally was picking these stamps, I remember thinking, I wonder how big they are. And they have the dimensions on the website, but you never really get a perfect vision of what it'll look like until you have them in your hand, which is why it's nice to see these unboxing videos, because then you get a chance to see exactly what they look like in reference to, you know, my hand and stuff. So you can get a really good picture for what they look like. Oh, that's fantastic. Oh, I'm so happy to get those. I have been eyeing up getting a bow die for a long time. I have another bow die, and it's little miniature bows, and they are really, really, really cute, but they're very, very finicky to work with, and they're worth it because they definitely are a cute little embellishment to add to things. But I'm excited now to try these. So if you're interested in watching what I create with all of my goodies here, like, subscribe, and come back and watch so that you are notified of the next time I post a video. You can hit that notification bell, and yeah, you can see what creations I make with this and how my happy mail package turns out all together. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.